everyone. Today we're here at this lowrider car show in San Bernardino, California. So San Bernardino.
Little Benny Hill action right here.
This is a beautiful lowrider car. Look at the detail, look at the mount, look at the paint. How can you not like these cars? You know, there are many clubs here. This is the Majestics. How big is this club, the Majestics? Can you tell me a little about it? Is it a big club?
Yeah, it's worldwide.
How many members?
Thousands of members, 42 chapters worldwide.
Amazing. Japan.
I
know in Japan is a very big scene.
Australia, Canada, everywhere. Florida.
Amazing, amazing.
So go ahead. Yeah,
look at this beauty. So look at the detail.
The little girl with the uniform.
This is all airbrushed. So there's no sticker, there's no shenanigans here. This is the real deal. They're selling raffle tickets for this car right here. So $150, you can compete to win this one.
For a $25 gift card. Who's got that? Let's check it. Let's make sure. Coming away with these counterfeit tickets.
Now this is a class Impala here as well.
Windows in it, nothing, with the same tires from like 25 to 30 years ago.
Alright, so this is
The Duke's Club right here. Gentleman sitting back there, and this pink is just amazing. Look at this custom grille. These are all national car clubs, and the local chapters came to this event. So these are legendary cars. This is just beautiful. Redlands chapter. Here are all the Cadillacs. Here. This is a beautiful Lincoln here, right here. And that's the reflection of the motor. Look at the reflection on the hood. Look at the amount of detail, the battery covers. I had a Buick Regal like this. I can't remember what happened. It was a V8. It didn't look pretty. It was pretty rough. But it was a desirable V8.
You do that thing, it's Brazil's where the main thing is.
Well, my name is Carlos. You are?
Marcos.
He came all the way from LA.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And that's the name of the car from Los Angeles.
Very cool. Because I noticed a lot of local chapters from, you know, worldwide clubs.
Yeah.
You know, they have
the Inland Empire chapter.
Oh, I see. They do.
See, like this is a different new edition car club too.
What's this one called?
New edition.
New edition. Very cool. He was explaining to me that certain clubs expect you to commit, to have cars at the highest level, to put money, to invest all kinds of money to represent.
Yeah, well, everybody wants to have the best.
Yes.
But you know, it is costly.
Absolutely.
It's not cheap.
Yeah.
And time consuming.
Exactly.
It takes a lot from the family and all that.
It does.
It's a two.
They want to go to that one.
It's a two. How do you call it?
Is this lifestyle
Yeah.
growing or kind of fading? I mean, what do you feel?
It's growing because, you know, everybody that has kids, all their kids grew up with this, so they all want to keep it going.
But you hear like the new millennials don't like,
Okay.
they don't want cars,
Okay.
they don't want to buy a house, they want to live at home. I wonder if they have the same passion for cars that we do, you know?
Or, you know, it's not everybody's for it.
Very cool.
Well,
Chad.
thank you.
Okay, brother.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
We'll probably see you somewhere else. Something local. Feel nice, man.
Okay, brother.
And have a good one.
You too. What year is this car? Tell me about it.
1957 Chevy Bel Air. I picked it up at Albuquerque, New Mexico, maybe about 6 months ago. It's an unmolested, undisturbed 57. Still has drum brakes, no power steering, no power brakes, original paint. So the way it came out of the factory is the way you're looking at it now.
And,
So, yeah,
and if you buy the car, it comes with a lady too. She's
no,
going.
that I can test.
You will contest.
Not unless you want the trade.
Yeah, I'm just. It's purely a joke because we got 3 females there. I have to look after.
Okay.
I have to.
I got
provide.
one 7-year-old. She's not here, but I get you.
I know. I started quite late. I'm 59, but I have 1-year-olds there. I couldn't. If I knew it was this good, I would have done years ago. Trust me.
I'm
If I
50,
knew,
I'm 50 with a 7-year-old, so I get you.
absolutely. That's where it's at.
Yeah.
But you know, it took away years of my life. I feel much younger. It's amazing. What is your phone number?
909-239-3079. Once again, Mark Moreno, 909-239-3079. I'm out of Yucaipa, California.
What size engine is this? Regional?
283 original, all original. 283 has a generator in it. Bone stock, all original.
So the brand new interior and you know new covers, a new kit looks perfect, and the new top. I like it. What do you think?
Immerse that I have.
This is 1986 Regal. I love this body shape. This particular era here is amazing. This Regal, is it 6-cylinder V8?
6-cylinder.
And the interior, was it done locally at Evans or someone?
Garage.
A garage?
Everything was done in the backyard or garage.
Wow, that's cool. So of course you realize much of the work is underneath, the suspension and the airbags. And this is a legit California native Regal right here. By now on this car show, I already have my favorites. I like this hard top. I'm not a convertible person, but I like convertibles. I just prefer hard tops. Immaculate dash and interior.
Once again, please pick up your trash around your areas. Thank you.
Look at this Lincoln here. Look at this. Look at the suicide doors on the back.
I love fucking these things.
All the original glass, all the original chrome, all the original engine tree from 1965. All the markings are all on the windows.
It takes 2 parking spaces. You have a big garage.
That's right. What do you think?
It's so long, I gotta step back here.
All right, once again, thank you all for coming out. Please drive on safe. I'm DJ Ziggy. Ready? No, sir.